All right, how's it going, everybody? It's been a while since I've done a quick down and dirty video, and this one will be no different. It'll be quick down and dirty. So I just finished building up a couple of Amtrak F40s for someone. They're obviously Kato in-scale F40s, and wanted to see if I could get the strobes on top lit, because I've never done that before. I've done beacons on Metro versions before, but there's not a whole lot of clearance in there. So I started screwing around with it and thought I did more damage than good, but ultimately I got it to work. You see him blinking away right there. But ultimately this started out with, a Kato in-scale F40 and Amtrak, and then we used a ESU 58941 board that to get the beacons lit, I kind of drilled out a little bit and then used SO402 warm white LEDs. You can buy these on eBay or Amazon. They're available from different sources. I'm going to try to do this one-handed here with my camera. Here's another one. Also be very careful of these little strobe lights, because I have to cut those shorter, but they're unobtainium, so if you screw one up and you lose it on the floor, good luck. But basically, there's a 58941 fitted with a 11x17 speaker, 3D printed housing, got a rear LED added, a forward 3mm LED added, and then in that yellow shrink wrap is just 4700 ohm dropping resistors for each LED. And then obviously that's all put together. And these are identical except for road number, so I'm not going to put them both back on. But as you can see, it's been cored through and everything's kind of shortened out a little bit. Anyways, but we can turn the sound on here. Sound file is SO530. It's the most recent version 4, revision 4 version. So anyways, there you go. Kato in-scale F40 converted to ESU LokSound with optional strobe lights added. Thanks for watching. Hope everybody has a great day.